Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're building a new gaming PC or upgrading to DDR5 memory, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB 6000 MHz kit is one of the best options you can buy. This memory kit includes 32GB of DDR5 RAM, configured as 2x16GB, giving you plenty of memory for modern gaming, video editing, streaming, programming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. Whether you're running demanding games or multiple applications at once, this kit delivers excellent performance. One of its biggest highlights is the 6000 MHz speed. Faster memory helps improve system responsiveness, reduces loading times, and provides smoother overall performance, especially when paired with the latest Intel and AMD processors. Pause. Another feature gamers will love is the stunning dynamic RGB lighting. The individually addressable RGB LEDs create vibrant lighting effects that can be customized using Corsair ICUE software, allowing you to synchronize your RAM with compatible fans, coolers, keyboards, and other RGB components for a unified setup. The kit also supports Intel XMP 3.0, making overclocking incredibly easy. Instead of manually adjusting memory settings in the BIOS, you simply enable the XMP profile and instantly enjoy the rated 6000 MHz performance. Corsair has also equipped these modules with a premium aluminum heat spreader, helping dissipate heat efficiently during long gaming sessions and heavy workloads while giving your PC a sleek, high-end appearance. Pause. The only thing to keep in mind is that you'll need a DDR5 compatible motherboard and processor, since DDR5 memory isn't compatible with older DDR4 systems. Overall, if you're looking for high-speed DDR5 memory with excellent reliability, beautiful RGB lighting, easy overclocking, and premium build quality, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB 6000 MHz is an outstanding upgrade for any modern PC. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next video.